So it's raining now here in Copenhagen. We are now our place near from the airport, like 15 minutes by bus. So not many people go outside, but di siya kagaya ng Philippines, guys, that takot tayo sa rain. So Danish people, they are not afraid about the rain. You can still go out and work and do everything. Wow! Before, when I arrived here last December, this one, there are no leaves like there. Oh, but now look! Oh, it's raining. So I went to Rema. We are very near from Rema, so this is where I live. Mauni among balay. Dako kaayo. Yeah, if you rent here, you have 3 windows. Their living room, your room, kitchen, sleeping room. Okay, guys.